But now we're gonna do Enchanted Tiki Room. It's a show. We're not sure if Enchanted has to do with Enchantment and Tiki. But we're gonna check it out. It's a 12-minute show. If nothing else, it's inside. It's bound to be air conditioned. All right, we are heading in. This cow. I think we will go right here. It's fine. That is. Look, here come the girls. Oh,
Yeah, and a wunderbar birdmobile, which has birds on it, and it goes round and round. And that's why they call it a birdmobile.
Mesdames and messieurs, introducing the lovely ladies of the ensemble. Just like the fully perchère with all its feathers, there's Colette. Hello, Colette. Suzette. Hello, Mimi. Gigi. Fifi. Josephine. I wonder what happened to...
Oh, legendaries! Yay!
Yeah.
Hold on.
Amazing.
Okay, if I say you didn't forget your name tag, did you?
Yeah.
All right, so we did Enchanted Tiki Room. You didn't do it. Tiki. Okay, she didn't do it. But I think it's a 1 in 10.
Yes.
Yeah, that's definitely not a.
It's a great place on a really hot day.
Air
because it's
conditioning.
air conditioning.
Yeah, air conditioning good. But now we're waiting to head into the Beak and Barrel. Sometimes you have to have 2 drinks.
Burgers for
So-
3.
Tiffany's gonna be there like, I love you, baby. It should be funny. All right, check out the Beak and Barrel. And we are right at the bar.
Too sterile. Yeah, not dirty. Boo! Your timing is way off. It's all about timing.
Now that little beauty is mine. I'm gonna let you borrow it for your adventure. When you're finished, I'll get a brand new one that's bubble wrapped and box stuff you can take out with you. And hibiscus rum punch royale.
All right, so I got a drink in a pirate head.
There's also a see the skull? That's the back of the ship that we turned into the bar, but it actually looks like a face. See the 2 eyes that it is?
Ah.
If you put your camera right here and line it up with your drink,
If not,
you get that as a backdrop there as that comes down. You can put stuff around it and you're bumming right up.
No, that's perfect. I like it. All right, how's your drink, baby? Non-alcoholic one for you next. I want a video of me drinking out of a dead pirate skull.
What's that? Yeah, he held drugs.
I have vanquished my enemies.
How long is the worst?
This drink might vanquish me.
Neck low or head low. He was a horrible virus. That's just like it's kind of
10:30 in the morning for Beak and Barrel. Maybe not in that time.
Oh no!
Listen up, people!
Cover your ears! Cover your ears! Cover your
Did the siren song get you?
No, because I covered my ears.
Oh.
That lady over there was covering their Mickey ears.
We had pirate drinks. Now we must ride pirate rides. Tiffany's feeling all piratey today. Right, baby? R. Ooh. Ooh. It's like the pirate armory.
Stairs that lead to nowhere.
They do lead. Look, they go up into that room up there.
Oh, yeah.
Do you have too much to drink at the Beak and Barrel? Are you feeling special on the pirate rum? How's it go? I love you, Mickey Mouse. What's in there? Can we go in?
Barrels.
Barrel. Is there barrels of rum?
Rum.
It's rum. You ready to go on Pirates of the Caribbean?
Yes.
R.
Our
All the rum.
feet's wet.
And now my hiney is wet. Okay. So now your butt will smell like pirate water all day long. Oh, here we go. It's a dark ride. I don't know how much we're actually going to see, but we'll find out. I hear squealing from further ahead. I'm pretty sure it's not a scary ride.
The cannon's in the water.
It's Cotton Jack Sparrow we're after. Unfortunate. Bring up your white flag, you scurvy scum, and bring your Cotton Jack Sparrow. Or I'll send it in the days.
I am no chicken. I will not talk. I saw a lot. I did. Where be that sparrow and the treasure, you blue rat?
A lot of people in here seem to be bilge pots.
Huh?
A lot of bilge pots here, apparently.
Oh, you scurvy scum! Do I hear death? A hen for a tail!
Okay, I'll give you 20 for the wrong.
No, you little livered lover! Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hens to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. The artist.
Well, deny your sweet. What be I offering with my thunder? That scoundrel Jack Sparrow will never pay on time, nor this weird king either. Coin! Fool me, my dear. That's all you want, Captain Jack Sparrow. You'll never find it. If you do.
Is that dude talking to kitty cats?
Yeah,
I thought he was talking to cats.
he is.
pirate's life for me.
It is true. In my heart, not even bad. Trigger me on.
And of course, no ride is complete without a visit to the gift shop.
It always takes you out in the gift shop.
Yeah, every ride takes you out to. Here you go. This is what you need right here.
No.
A pirate hat.
No.
No pirate hat? No pirate shirt?
Ears over there.
They have pirate ears.
Yes.
Maybe that's what you need is pirate ears.